All right, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I've been really busy the last 3 weeks here. Spring is here, right here in Southern California, and it is getting hot up in here. I'm doing a lot of gardening work, had to clean up a few things. And I just got back here into Southern California. I was over in South Carolina for about 3 weeks trying to get that metal warehouse build out thing set up. But I've been having a lot of permitting issues and county issues and some inspections and some raw land that I was trying to get. I'll give you an update on what's going on with like that. It didn't really work out quite the way I had wanted it to, simply because of, just all those little loopholes that you got to do when you get into real estate investing. All right, so here's some raw footage of just me in the airplane, flying over there, getting things done, and then just flying back. So anyway, I didn't forget about you guys. I know the tool giveaway was a while back, but I've been gone. So here it is, all packaged up. Congratulations to Everett G, DSG Label, Angel Rodriguez, and Sean Tristan. So you guys already hit me up. You did contact me through my email address. If you guys don't know how to do that, it's just like any YouTube channel. You just go to the home page and then you look under the subscription count and there's a description. Click on description and then it shows at the towards the bottom to click on the reveal email address, and that's how you guys can contact me, just like any other YouTuber. Everett and Sean, you guys already provided me with your mailing address, so those two are gonna get sent out. By the time you guys see this video, it's already on the way to your UPS ground. Angel and GSG, you guys gotta contact me, within 60 days of me posting this video. If you guys don't hit me up on my email, I'm gonna assume that either you guys unsubscribed or you're not paying attention or whatever, or maybe you just don't want the tool and you want me to give it to somebody else. And that'll be cool. If that doesn't happen, I'll just include it in the next giveaway. I did mention that we're gonna do another tool giveaway at 500 subscribers and at 1,000, but we'll just go ahead and squeeze in at 750. Since I did it at 250, I'm gonna do it at 500, 750, and then at 1,000 when it gets monetized. And from that, we're gonna go ahead and do it about once a month. So congratulations to these guys. For those who subscribe and post a comment, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. Now you guys also got to be aware that there's a lot of scammers out there. A lot of the other YouTube channels where they do give away a lot of prizes. There's always just some really freaking evil people out there who want to scam other people, right? So I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I don't use any social media. I never signed up for social media. I thought it was just a complete waste of time, really, back when it first started. When I saw I was in college, people were just posting pictures showing off, and it was just a huge distraction. I actually had a real major, whereas all the other people, it was just kind of a waste of their time. So all I have is my email address, my cell phone, and this YouTube channel, right? I don't do Facebook or Instagram or Telegram, any of that other silly crap. Anybody who contacts you on those platforms, that's not me, right? So I would never ask you for any money. I never tell you, send me money, anything like that. I take care of the shipping costs, all right? So just be fully aware of that. All right, congratulations for those who got these tools. For those who didn't, this is what's gonna be included in the next tool giveaway at 500 subscribers. It's gonna be the 2 mini toolbox from US General, right? It's gonna be the black one right here, and it's gonna be the blue one, right? Similar to this red one. You guys saw it in the part 7 of the toolbox build out series. I already showed you guys that. So if you guys are new to the channel, you haven't seen my review of these, as well as my toolbox, as well as the OG from back in the days. All right, this is what's gonna be raffled off when we hit 500 subscribers. And then we'll do it again at 750. I'm probably gonna include some Duratech tools on that one. I'll show you guys that later on. And then at 1,000, then we're gonna do something really special. Okay, so that's what you guys can be looking forward to. I'm gonna work on another video this week about the future plans of this YouTube channel. We're gonna go over some upgrade in equipment that I'm gonna use because I gotta, get you guys some better footage using a better camera rather than my Samsung Ultra S24, and also a DJI gimbal, some better audio. I'm gonna try to hold the camera a little bit more steady for you guys. And then I'm also gonna give you guys a list of the type of videos I'm gonna be putting out for the rest of this year for 2026. And the first one is gonna be going over these torque wrenches right here, the Icon 3/8 fixed head, the flex head, and then the digital torque wrench, as well as a derivation of the torque adapter equation. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. All right, so that's an update for now. Just hang tight. I gotta work on a few things. I'm trying to get that warehouse built out. I've been thinking about maybe just trying to get one that's already pre-built. That might be a better solution because, when you go out to the other states or these counties, When you invest in real estate, there's an enormous amount of paperwork and inspections and permittings that you got to abide by. It is going to take a while. In the meantime, I'm going to be doing a lot more tool reviews because I still got that whole shelf over there to review all those tools for you guys. All of these, I'm going to basically go through reviews for every single one of these tools. And I'll probably give that one out, these Duratex, at the 750 mark of the subscriber count. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Just hang tight. I'm gonna work on a lot more videos, but you know, I am trying to switch engineering jobs from California over to South Carolina. We're gonna work it out. I am gonna also explain why I'm gonna be moving over there with these cars. It has a lot to do with the smog requirements, the registration, you know, just the overall cost of living, you know, because LA, man, it's really turned into a shithole over here. So, you know, it's time to get out of California, head back to the dirty South, back to my roots. All right, so stay tuned.